How to change background in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Next, either take a new photo using the camera or upload one from your gallery by tapping the photo or camera icon. Once your photo is loaded, scroll through the editing options at the bottom until you find the background filter. Tap on the background option to see various background choices like 3D, abstract, balloons, blur, color, and more. Select the background you want to apply, and FaceApp will automatically replace the current background in your photo. Some background options might require a pro subscription, but there are free options available as well. After you are satisfied with the new background, tap the save icon at the top right corner to save your edited photo to your gallery. Now you know how to change background in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.